Hello everyone, welcome to PharmaRock's YouTube channel. In today's video, we will solve PharmaQuiz 20 on a topic alkaloids from subject Pharmacognosy. Welcome to PharmaRocks, the way of success. So here is the instructions for quiz. First of all, we welcome you in a PharmaRock's YouTube channel. In this video, we will solve a pharmacy related MCQ. MCQ, it means multiple choice questions. Here are the quiz rule. There are total 10 questions in a quiz. Each correct answer carries 4 marks. Incorrect answer will leads to the deduction of a marks and negative mark is -1. Time limit is 15 minutes to solve this test. You may pause the video for noting down the answer and resume the video for knowing the correct answer for that particular question. Comment your score after completion of test. Here are the evaluation system of a marks. If you get the marks between 30 to 40, then your preparation is a excellent. 20 to 30 marks, it means the preparation is good. 10 to 20 marks means average and need to improvement. 0 to 10 marks means poor and need to study more to qualify the exam. So let's start and evaluate yourself before the exam. Comment your score after the test. Subscribe our channel for such more educational videos related to our pharmacy profession and exams like GPAT, NIPER, DIN, pharmacist. So let's start the quiz and solve the questions carefully. We provide you the correct answer after 5 to 10 seconds of each MCQ. So here is the first question number 1. Protoalkaloids are also called as option A amino alkaloids, pseudoalkaloids, true alkaloids, or option D extra alkaloids. You may pause the video for think about the correct answer, and correct answer for this question is option A amino alkaloids. So true alkaloids and protoalkaloids are derived from amino acids, where pseudoalkaloids are not derived from these compounds. So true alkaloid and protoalkaloids mainly derive from a amino acid, so they also call a amino alkaloid. So correct answer for this question is option A amino alkaloid. Question number 2. True alkaloids are always present in a plant as a option A salt of inorganic acid, option B salt of organic acid, option C salt of meconic acid, and option D salt of benzoic acid. You may pause the video for think about the correct answer, and the correct answer for this question is option B salt of organic acid. It is present in a various plant as a salt of organic acid. Question number 3. The example of pseudoalkaloids are, the options are option A caffeine, option B hygrine, option C arecoline, and option D lobeline. You may pause the video for think about the answer, and correct answer is option A caffeine. So the other examples of pseudoalkaloids include such compounds as a conine, capsaicin, ephedrine, solanidine, caffeine, theobromine, and a pinidine. So you have to remember the following names of pseudoalkaloids. Question number 4. Which drug is not under the chemical class of indole? The options are option A quinidine, option B quinine, option C atropine, and option D camptothecin. You may pause the video for think about the correct answer, and correct answer for this question is option C atropine. So atropine is a not under the class of indole. Atropine is a tropine class of alkaloids. Atropine is present in a various drugs like a belladonna. It is called atropa belladonna, or they are a class of a tropine alkaloids. Question number 5. The ring structure present in a strychnine is, the options are option A indole, option B pyrrole, option C pyridine, and option D Piperidine. You may pause the video, and the correct answer is option A, indole. So strychnine is a highly toxic, colorless, bitter crystalline alkaloid used as a pesticide, and particularly strychnine is a terpene indole alkaloids belonging to Strykos family. So right answer for this question is strychnine. It is a indole alkaloid. So सबसे पहले आपको जो alkaloids का पूरा जो classification है based on their structure, based on their ring structure, chemical nature, their use, वो सब करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है from the pharmacognosy. तो इस तरह के सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस जो है वो सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस जो है वो अल्कलॉइड्स में से पूछे जाते हैं. लेट्स सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट वन. PHARMAROCKS, the way of success. Study materials and booklets are available for GPAT, NIPER, DAN, pharmacist exam. You may shop now the books by call or WhatsApp us on 9016312020. Question number 6. Sunken stomata present in. You have to correct the spelling. It is a sunken, not the sunket. Okay, so sunken stomata are present in, and the options are option A, ephedra, option B, aconite, option C, datura, and option D, tea. You may pause the video about think about the answer, and the correct answer is option A, ephedra. Ephedra contains the sunken stomata, SUNKEN. Sunken stomata present in a ephedra. Question number 7. Deadly nightshade is the synonym of the drug, and the options are option A, datura, option B, belladonna, option C, cinchona, and option D, coca. So you may pause the video for think about the correct answer, and the correct answer is option B, belladonna. So deadly nightshade is the synonym of the drug belladonna. Question number 8. Family of the VINCA drug is, the options are option A, rubiaceae, option B, solanaceae, option C, apocynaceae, and option D, erythroxylaceae. You may pause the video, and the correct answer is option C, apocynaceae. So the family of VINCA is a apocynaceae. Question number 9. Which is not the use of ERGOT? And the options are oxytocin, prevent post-mortem hemorrhage, option C, migraine, and option D, laxative. You may pause the video, and correct answer is option D, laxative. So ERGOT is not used as a laxative, but it is used as a oxytocin, prevent the postpartum hemorrhage, and also used in a migraine. So above 3 are the correct use of ERGOT, but it is not used as a laxative. So right answer is option D, laxative. Question number 10. Nux vomica is not used as, the options are option A, insomnia, irritable bowel syndrome, bitter stomachic, antineoplastic, and expectorant. So you may pause the video for think about the correct answer, and correct answer is option C, antineoplastic. Okay, so Nux vomica is not an antineoplastic drug, not used in a cancer. Okay, it is not a anti-cancer drug. Anti-cancer drug is a VINCA alkaloid. Okay, but Nux vomica alkaloid is mainly used as a expectorant, bitter stomachic. Also sometimes it is used in a irritable bowel syndrome and also in a treatment of insomnia. Okay, but it is not used in a treatment of any cancer. So right answer is option C, antineoplastic. So good luck friends, comment your score. Our next quiz is a 21 and the topic is a synonyms from a pharmacognosy. तो उसमें आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. मेनली जितने भी synonyms important है उस पर आप हम वीडियो बनाने वाला है. तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ वीडियो को शेयर करें एंड जो बेल आइकन है उस पर आप क्लिक करें. सो जब भी हम क्विज 21 अपलोड करेंगे या फिर दूसरे कोई इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस अपलोड करेंगे तो आपके मोबाइल के अंदर नोटिफिकेशन जो है वो आ जाएगी. सो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर एजुकेशनल वीडियोस. PharmaRocks, the way of success. GPAT, NIPER, DA, pharmacist exam preparation, study materials and model papers are available. You may contact Mr. Amar Rawal. You may call or WhatsApp us on 9016312020.